Hello. This video is just to give you a little bit of extra help figuring out what we are doing in science this week. So of course you need to get to Google Classroom through your apps and open our class. I'm just going to open Science Period 1 if I can. Yes. Okay, so when you open this, I still have it as a draft because it's not there yet, but you're going to see, oh, baby, this assignment right here, weather science experiments. So you're going to open this up, and this is the assignment for the week, okay? And you have it linked here for you. So go ahead and open that up, and you've got all this information here. What you really need is to watch these two instructional videos, okay? So start with those videos first, and then you can do the assignment, okay? And these videos and the directions are going to tell you that you need to do 2 experiments, but I actually want you to really only do 1, okay? So just try and get 1 finished and fill in 1 lab here. And again, those instructional videos, when you watch them, they're going to explain to you how to do that, okay? And it should be kind of fun because you get to do an experiment. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 choices here, and you're just going to pick one of them to do. And if for some reason you can't do the experiment, it is totally fine to just use my example, and you can use my data and my pictures even for yours, and then you just would need to write the conclusion. So mine is here in pink. Okay, so you could leave that here in pink if you needed to with my pictures. There they are. And then you would just need to write your own conclusion, and you don't need to worry about lab 2, okay? So again, I just want you to try and get 1 finished, okay?